Why Photoshop is important to learn, we will discuss about that. So the benefits of Photoshop: retouch, photography, transform, picture artistically, improve social media presence, opportunity to express your creativity, earn money online with a Photoshop, become photo editing instructor, become professional graphic designer. What are the uses of a Photoshop? So the uses of Photoshop are: we can edit background, we can edit photos of someone's, we can create a new photo by manipulating multiple images, we can play with colors of the dress of an images, etc. There are more examples which we can edited by the Photoshop. So first we will discuss about how to change the color of a dress. Used selection tool to select the t-shirt. After selecting the t-shirt, we will use masking to mask that particular t-shirt and fill a new color, and after that we will changes the color into multiple types of uh, forms. Here it is our result. Now we will edit a photo. We remove the acne of the photo by using spot healing tool. After that we will take a dropper tool to select the color of skin, and after that we will use the brush tool to fill that color to whole image for the skin. Now we will talk about the manipulation. Manipulation is just a word to add multiple images to one photo which has any sense. These were some of the examples that I edited and told you there are many such examples which can be done by Photoshop, and it is a lot of fun to do them. There is a different thing of Photoshop which provides job opportunity to the students, and this is a very good way to show your creativity. This is a vast and explorer field for acknowledging yourself.